Let's talk crypto taxes. We've all been there. APIs miss things, DeFi gets messy, and suddenly your gains look impossible. So today I'm going to show you how to use Awaken like a pro with 3 tips to make sure your crypto tax journey is seamless. To get started, head over to your transactions page. To make things more organized, we can use the sort feature. You either want to sort by gains and losses or by transaction value. The transactions that come to the top will be the ones that you need to review. As you review these top trades, look for the missing cost basis or just hover over that info icon to see the past transactions where you acquired the asset to make sure the purchase price was correct. Awaken will show you exactly where you acquired that asset here, which will save you a lot of time for pre-sales. So an example. If you send Ethereum into pre-sale and you've got a new token back, the system might see that new token as having a $0 cost basis. When you eventually sell it, the software thinks it's a 100% profit. By just hovering over that icon, you will see if it's marked as $0. And if it is, just click back and adjust the purchase price to what you actually paid. That's an easy fix for a really huge tax saving. Next, we're going to head over to the Performance tab. This is your bird's eye view of everything. It shows you your highest gains and your biggest losses. Take a look at your top asset and ask yourself, does this P&L actually make sense? If you know you lost money on a specific coin, but Awaken says you're up, something's wrong. You can click directly into that asset to review every specific transaction tied to it until the math checks out. Finally, we have an AI Auditor tool to do a final check on your account. It scans your entire history for abnormalities like abnormally high gains or those missing bases we talked about, just stuff like that. If a suggestion looks helpful, follow it. It is the fastest way to polish your account before you hit that final export button. Those are my 3 tips to make your experience and Awaken as seamless as possible. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out to our support team. And yeah, as of now, you're an Awaken Pro, so good luck with your taxes, and I will see you on the next one.